Never before has the Senate found the resolve to make health insurance more affordable and health insurance companies more accountable until today. This is a victory for the American people. Those fortunate enough to have health insurance will be able to keep theirs, and those who do not will be able to have health insurance.
This morning, this vote in the United States Senate lit a candle of hope for 50 million Americans who went to bed last night without the protection of health insurance, for millions who wake this morning wondering if they'll ever win that battle with the health insurance company for the coverage that they need, for the surgical procedure, for the medication. It's also a candle of hope for this nation that we are finally tackling an issue which every family, every business knows is central to our progress as a nation.
We stand here at the finish line, though as we stand here, we're not standing alone. We stand with those who have blazed the trail ahead of us, tireless champions of healthcare reform, all the way from President Theodore Roosevelt to our good friend who is with us in spirit, Ted Kennedy. We are standing with millions of American families who have been forced to bankruptcy to cover the cost of health care. We stand on behalf of 45,000 Americans who die each year simply because they don't have health insurance. We stand with small business owners who cannot afford health insurance for their employees. We stand with Americans suffering from diseases like cancer and diabetes, and all those who have been discriminated against or denied health insurance coverage because of a pre-existing condition. Today, we make history for them and every American who has fallen victim to our broken healthcare system.
Who would have thought that we could finally get a handle on the thing that is driving our budget deficit to great heights, which is healthcare costs, and at the same time do so much good by covering so many people? This is an amazing accomplishment.
There's never been a vote cast in my tenure here that's done as much to relieve the burdens or provide more security for middle-class working families in America than this one. This is probably the most important vote that every sitting member of the Senate will cast in their tenure here. And I'm just proud to have been a part of it. And I thank my colleagues for staying with this. And I wish Ted Kennedy were here with us today to enjoy this. Merry Christmas to everybody.